Greetings, everybody. Nickie Brown here. No matter where you are, what part of the world you are in, I hope that you are having a good day. So, I just wanted to come on quickly and talk to you about having a blessed morning, right? Even without knowing the etymology of these two words, take into consideration the fact that the subconscious mind hears people saying be less when we say blessed. It does not know the difference between morning, M-O-R-N-I-N-G, and M-O-U-R-N-I-N-G. Although the intention behind it may be good, certain spelling words do just that, cast spells. There are people who know this and still choose to say them, which is fine because a person can do whatever they think is best, right? But in the meantime, it is rude to gossip about, judge, or stare strangely at people who choose not to use these cursing words and would rather not wish you a blessed sorrow in return, but rather greetings or good or grand rising or good day or even good cheer, right? So I just wanted to shed some light on that, and I hope it was helpful. Much love and light to you. Love y'all. Later.